Hello, everybody, esteemed colleagues and valuable stakeholders. Thank you for joining me today as we delve into a challenge that lies at the heart of our commitment to student success at the YMCA Academy. And we see your unwavering support for our students who aspire to attend post-secondary education. And we take on the challenge, the questions that you pose. How can we ensure that no students with college aspirations is left behind in their journey? My name is Han. I'm representing Group 4 to present our answer to these questions. And before that, to truly understand the intricacy of this challenge, we have employed the design thinking model with emphasis on empathy, as we know that our journey will begin with a deep dive into the nuances of the issues, aiming to identify the root cause and uncover opportunities for improvements for our students with special needs. So let's start by gaining a further understanding of the problems. As we noted the key point, which is the support that we need to provide for students with college aspiration and post-secondary educations. Through our interviews and also secondary resources, we have gathered quite a lot of insights, and we'd love to share that with you. And later on, we'll further define the problems with the how might we questions and also defining the user needs. And there are several key aspects that emerged from the interview. Many students, though enthusiastic about their goals, found themselves uncertain about the path ahead, and some lack clarity on the classes or skill necessary to reach their aspirations, while there's others possess only vague notion of what awaits them after graduations. Moreover, we discovered that our students are accustomed to a hands-on approach from our dedicated staff. The resources available at the YMCA school may not be readily accessible elsewhere, especially, for example, the college settings, where they have to navigate the helps and support they might need, or counselings, and students needs to learn how to access or contact these resources or personnel that could help them. And that significant challenge arises from perceived lack of certain skills amongst our students. They may have superficial ideas about skills required, and unfortunately, these crucial skills have not been adequately taught or emphasized. Additionally, we observe that considerable numbers of students have limited plans for the future. Some find it challenging to determine their goals, and there seems to be a prevailing sentiment that thinking about future plans can be postponed until the last year of high school. Navigating the post-secondary application process also emerged as a hurdle. Our students find it challenging to access the necessary information, and the process itself can be daunting, especially when they're unsure about the career path. Further complicating the matter, there appears to be a gap in knowledge regarding post-secondary requirement. While the school provides some information, it may not be sufficient, and the sheer volumes of information may be overwhelming for our students, and they express the preference for information that is broken down or easily digestible. To visualize better the multifaceted nature of these challenges, this is the fishbone diagram we have created to help us categorize and analyze the various factors contributing to the issues. Now, as we've already examined the fishbone diagram, let's look into our secondary research insights, which we have gathered from Q University Success Program at Queen University, focusing on supporting student transitions. And this report reviews that the QSSS aim to assist incoming students, particularly those from underrepresented groups, in their personal and academic development. About the challenging aspects is that there seems to be attendance and engagement issues, with 43% of the registered students missing all sessions relating to career preparedness or college preparedness, and the thriving quotient shows limitations declining over the program, and retention poses a significant hurdle. We gain valuable insights in person sessions, which outperform online format, emphasizing the importance of personal interaction, yet the online model offered scalability but faced challenges as well. This prompts us to consider hybrid models for flexibility and enhanced online engagement. And for academic resilience and vulnerabilities, our virtual community designed for college application and career simulations must prioritize personal interactions, flexibilities, and engaging elements to foster resilience in students. So to sort of recap, as we embark further on this creative problem-solving journey, let's leverage these insights to create a supportive environment that not only addresses challenges, but empowers students with resilient and academic support. Now, drumroll, please, as we after diving into all these data that we gather from the fishbone diagram to the interviews, to the helpful secondary resource, and we come to define the problems even further. We know that the user are high school student as YMCA Academy with college aspirations, but uncertain of future post-secondary plan. So what do they need? They need continuous guidance and targeted support for post-secondary education planning, as evidenced in the uncertainty and skill gaps in the data. And also, we need to empower them for confident transition to the higher educations. So how might we questions further refined to be how might we offer post-secondary information in an approachable, engaging, and meaningful way to guide students with college aspirations. So we come up with ideas through lots of ideation process. The worst ideas are forcing students to grind study materials or college requirements, and that is what we know to avoid. Brainwriting is also, we considered AI possibilities, and also summer schools for different fields and studies, prep materials, portfolios, and college students just giving speeches, and from industry professional as well. And we finally arrive at our solutions. And let's get ready for the ultimate reveals. So we come up with a VR community experience where students can explore college and career path in a virtual space, gaining hands-on experience before making crucial decisions, addressing the how might we question that we had previously. Let's explore further on our proposed solutions. Okay, so we've learned from Queen University reports the hesitations and uncertainties their high school student encountered, particularly those in underrepresented group. So our college and career simulation in VR is a tool that empowers them to interactively learn about the college application process and identify skills that they need. By incorporating role play scenarios, we directly address that hesitation and uncertainties that often hinder their aspirations. But why stop there? We understand that decision making can be the difficult process. So with our solution, students engage in day in the live experience, allowing them to visualize their future self and thereby addressing doubts and uncertainty heads on, what they need to focus on to enhance their specific skill set or bridge the skill gap to further on their higher educations. And to enhance engagement and motivation, we propose motivational sessions coupled with the VR sessions to feature alumni and guest speakers. These sessions inspired and can motivate students, offering a convenient platform to visualize their goals and aspiration. However, we understand that student journey is unique for each and different individuals. Hence, we introduce the personalized mentorship integrate with within the VR community, so that there will be consistent one-on-one guidance tailored to individual students. So this mentorship can be offered either every other day or weekly, ensure ongoing and personalized support. Our solutions extend even beyond the VR experience. We envision an online community as a service hub, a dynamic place where students can seek an answer to their questions, connect with resources, and stay informed about events within the VR community. So that's how we combine experiential learning with tech-savvy approach and create an adaptable and expanding solutions that resonates with the evolving needs and preferences of our students. Our proposed solution is a holistic response to the challenges identified through extensive research. It's embracing technology, personalized support, and community engagement to empower students on their own journey towards higher education. And this is the prototype storyboard that we come up with that shows that from the start, where students are curious about the interest and career that they might want to be in, they join in the VR career simulations, and that will help them better understand if this is what they really want to do in the future, and what are the possible or potential skills through the day in life experience, the first person professionalized experience, that skills that they need to focus on, sort of giving them a hint or a nudge to the right path. And from then on, we can assist them with one-on-one or career advisement within the same VR community to help them shape their personal goals and start moving towards them with mini tasks or missions that we have in the modules to help the students take a step forward. And so this has been a long journey, but we've come to finally wrapping it up in overall pitch. So with a deep understanding of the challenge of our students face, we know that there's uncertainties in career aspiration, a lack of post-secondary goals, and gaps in the college applications process. These patterns emerge consistently across interviews and research, forming the foundation for our creative problem-solving process. Imagine a time machine that allows students to not only explore different college environments in their future, but also step into their shoes of various professionals. Our solution introduces a comprehensive virtual experience to guide students through the college application process and career explorations through immersive role-play and day-in-the-life simulations, transforming uncertainty into exploration and post-secondary course of actions. So let's discuss in more details, as you know how it would work. It would be our virtual college and career exploration module in the cornerstone of our solutions, where students can explore various careers without penalties, discover their interests, and identify skill sets required for success or areas of improvement to take a step closer to their goals. It's like trying on different hats until they find the perfect fit. We also understand the challenge of keeping our tech-savvy students at YMCA Academy engaged. To increase attention and retention rates for important college preparedness events and workshops, we gamify the application and career tryouts with interactive tasks and mini missions. This does not only make education fun, but ensure that students are actively engaged as they progress. They'll uncover their unique skill sets, creating a personalized roadmap for their academic journey. Next, we encourage the adoptions of motivational speaker series. Motivation is key in shaping aspiration, and we've made it accessible. So our solution reach alumni and guest speakers directly to our students through convenient online sessions, providing insights, motivations, and clear visions of what success looks like. The series serves as a catalyst for goal settings, helping students visualize their path to higher education. So recognizing that every student is unique, our solution offers personalized mentorship. As I mentioned, it's a one-on-one companion, adapts to individual needs, provide guidance and support tailored to each student's journey, fostering a supportive relationship that overcomes traditional boundaries. Our platform goes beyond just simulations. It's a dynamic online community, a one-stop shop for college-related questions, career advice, and connections through the resources. It's an ever-expanding hub that ensures students have access to the right information at the right time. We hope that through our solutions, we directly tackle the identified patterns, providing clarity in aspiration, bridging information gaps, and enhancing engagement. The simulation guides students in discovering their passion, and online hubs ensure they never feel lost in the process. Thank you for your time tuning in into our presentation today, and we wish you all the best in your endeavors.